Hello everyone, how are you? I continue with the questions which we were discussing in the previous video, that is to solve equations reducible to a pair of linear equations in two variables. So first question is solve 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. And second equation is 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 over y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now see, 5 upon x minus 1 can be written as 5 multiplied by 1 over x minus 1, and similarly 3 upon y minus 2 can be written as 3 multiplied by 1 upon y minus 2. That means this 1 over x minus 1 and 1 upon y minus 2, we can take them to be u and v. So let 1 over x minus 1 is equal to u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Right? So if you put these values here, so you'll get 5u plus v is equal to 2 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. Now I will equate the coefficients of v here. Now here the coefficient of v is what? 1, and here the coefficient of v is 3. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3, right? So to make 3 here, I'll multiply equation 1 by 3. So multiplying first equation by 3, we get 15u plus 3v is equal to 3 2s are 6. So suppose this is equation 3. Now in second and third equation, we are having 3v, right? And the signs are different. So when signs are different, we add the equations. So adding equation 2 and equation 3 we get. Now when we add them, 3v will get cancelled. 6u plus 15u is equal to 21u, and 1 plus 6 will be 7. Transpose this 21 to that side, so we get 7 upon 21, that is 1 over 3. Now put this value of u in any one of the equations. I am substituting it in equation number 2, right? Second equation, we have 6u minus 3v. So here I'll put u is equal to 1 upon 3. So we get 6 into 1 over 3 minus 3v is equal to 1. So the 6, 3 2s are 6. We are left with 2 here. So 2 minus 3v is equal to 1. Transpose this 1 to this side and 3v to that side. So we get 2 minus 1 is equal to 3v, or 1 is equal to 3v implies v is equal to 1 upon 3. Now, but 1 over x minus 1 is u and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v, right? So we have, instead of u, put 1 upon 3, and instead of v is also 1 over 3. So put these values here. Take reciprocal on both the side for both. So here I get x minus 1 is equal to 3 and y minus 2 is equal to 3. Transpose this 1 to this side. Similarly minus 2 to that side. So we get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5, which is the required solution. Next question is solve 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. And second equation is 15 over x plus y minus 9 over x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Now, as we had been doing for this previously, for previous questions, 10 over x plus y can be written as 10 multiplied by 1 over x plus y. Right? So therefore, let 1 over x plus y is equal to u and 1 over x minus y is equal to v. So we have 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. And 15u minus 9v is equal to minus 2. So suppose these are equation 1 and equation 2. Now, I am equating the coefficients of u. Right? Here coefficient of u is 10 and here coefficient of u is 15. Now LCM of 10 and 15 is 30. So I'll make both 30. So for that, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Right? So we get 30u plus 6v is equal to 12, and similarly 30u minus 18v is equal to minus 4. Now, because signs are same, for same signs we subtract. So when you subtract, change all the signs. Now 30u will get cancelled. 6 plus 18 is 24. So we get 24v is equal to 16, or v is equal to 16 over 24, that is 2 upon 3. Now substituting this, v is equal to 2 over 3 in equation 2, we have in second equation I am substituting. So 15u minus 9v is equal to minus 2. So 15u minus 9 into 2 over 3 is equal to minus 2. So here 3 2s are 6. So minus 6, if I transpose that, you get plus 6 here. So 15u is equal to minus 2 plus 6. That is 15u is equal to 4. So u is equal to 4 upon 15. Right? Now, once we have got the values of u and v, we put those values here. But 1 over x plus y is equal to u and 1 over x minus y is equal to v. Right? So put the values of u and v, 4 over 15 and 2 upon 3, cross multiply. So you get 15 is equal to 4x plus 4y and 3 is equal to 2x minus 2y. Or I can write 4x plus 4y is equal to 15. Suppose this is equation 5. And 2x minus 2y is equal to 3. Suppose this is equation 6. Right? Now, I am going to equate the coefficients of y. Here, coefficient of y is 4 and here it is 2. So, to make this 4 here, I will multiply this equation by 2. So, multiplying equation 6 by 2, we get 4x minus 4y is equal to 6. Suppose this is equation 7. Now, if you see, coefficients of y are same in 5th and 7th equation, 4y and 4y. So add them. Right? So now when you will add, 4y will get cancelled. 4x plus 4x is 8x. And 15 plus 6 is 21. So you are getting 8x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 upon 8. Now substitute this value of x. Right? Either here in the 5th or 6th equation. I am substituting this in 6th equation. So 2 into 21 over 8 minus 2y is equal to 3. Take L. Here this becomes 42 upon 8. Transpose this 3 to that side and 2y to this side. Now take LCM here. Right, LCM will be 8. So I get 42 minus 8 3s are 24. Upon 8 is equal to 2y. Right, so 42 minus 24 is 18. So 18 over 8 is equal to 2y. So if you cancel this by 2, you are left with 9 here. So y is equal to 9 over 8. Therefore, x is equal to 21 over 8 and y is equal to 9 upon 8. Now again I am coming to an important type. Solve x over a plus y over b is equal to 2. And second equation is ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. Now these are already equations in linear equations in two variables. So as we had been simplifying earlier, right, these are not to be reduced, these are already linear equations in two variables. So for first equation, what is that? X over a plus y over b is equal to 2. Take LCM, right? So LCM will be ab. So b gets multiplied with x and a with y. So I get bx plus ay upon ab is equal to 2. Transpose this ab to this side. So I get bx plus ay is equal to 2ab. Suppose this is first equation. And the second one I am writing as it is, ax minus by is equal to a square minus b square. Right, now as we had been equating the coefficients earlier, here also I am going to equate the coefficients of y. You can equate the coefficient of x also. Now what is the coefficient of y here? That is a, and here the coefficient of y is b. Now LCM of a and b will be ab. So I have to make AB here as well as AB here. Now to get AB here, I'll have to multiply this by B and this equation by A. So multiplying first equation by B. Now see, when you multiply first equation by B, B into B will be B square x plus ABY is equal to 2AB square. 2AB we are already having. So 2AB into B will be 2AB square. Similarly, multiply second equation by A. So we get a square x minus aby is equal to a into a square will be a cube minus ab square. Now, signs of these equated coefficients, they are different. So I'll add both the equations. Now when you add, this aby will get cancelled. Now add them. So b square x plus a square x, right? That gives you b square x plus a square x, and here 2ab square minus ab square will be ab square plus a cube. Now from these two, x is common, so b square plus a square you're left with. Similarly from these two, a is common, so you're left with b square plus a square. Now b square plus a square, they will get cancelled, so x is equal to a. Now substituting this value of x in equation 2, right? So we have bx we were having, so b into a plus ay is equal to 2ab. Transpose this ab to that side, so ay is equal to 2ab minus ab, or ay is equal to ab. 2ab minus ab will be ab. Again a gets cancelled, so you're left with y is equal to b. Therefore x is equal to a and y is equal to b. Next I come to a very important question. This question had been asked in board exam so many times, right? And if you just remember one step of this, it becomes very simple. Otherwise, it looks like it may be a very difficult question, but its solution is very simple. Only one step you have to remember. Right? Solve a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. And second equation is a plus b into x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. Right? Now first equation I'm writing it as it is. Now please listen carefully. For second equation, multiply this whole a plus b with x and whole a plus b with y. I mean, do not open the bracket like this, ax plus ay plus bx plus by. I am multiplying the whole bracket with x and then with whole bracket with y, right? So I get a plus b into x plus a plus b into y, and this is equal to a square plus b square as it is. Now see, while doing so, a plus b into y, a plus b into y, the coefficients, they have become same also, right? And their signs are same, so we'll subtract this equation from this. So subtracting second equation from first, right? I have written both the equations and change the signs. So this becomes minus, this also minus, plus and minus and minus. So a square will get cancelled here, this will get cancelled. Right, so we are left with a minus b into x minus a plus b into x, and on this side minus 2ab and minus 2b square. Minus b square and minus b square is minus 2b square. From these take x common, so you have a minus b minus a minus b, right? Because they are having minus sign here, so when you open the bracket you get minus a minus b. And from these two, what is common? Minus 2b I can take common, right? So here minus 2b, since we have taken commons, from here you are left with a plus here you are left with b, so a plus b, right? Now this a and minus a, they will get cancelled, so minus 2bx is equal to minus 2b into a plus b. Minus 2b again gets cancelled, right? So you are left with x is equal to a plus b. Now substitute this value, x is equal to a plus b in first equation. So we were having a minus b into x, so I write a minus b into a plus b plus a plus b into y is equal to this as it is, a square minus 2ab minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square plus this as it is and this also as it is. Now see, a square and a square, they will get cancelled. Minus b square and minus b square, they will also get cancelled. So I am left with a plus b into y is equal to minus 2ab. So y is equal to, transpose this a plus b to that side, so minus 2ab over a plus b. Therefore x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to minus 2ab over a plus b. I hope you have understood. Thank you.